In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customized booking form using Tally. So, this step-by-step guide will show you how to craft a seamless booking experience for your clients, whether you're offering coaching calls or personal consultations. Let's dive in and make sure your clients can easily schedule their time with you. First, you'll need to log into Tally.so. Navigate your browser to https://tally.so and sign in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to create a new form. Create a new form by clicking on the plus new form button. This will open up a fresh form template where you can begin designing your booking process. Start by giving your form a relevant title such as book a one-on-one coaching call. This title will help your clients immediately understand the purpose of the form. Now let's add some essential fields to your form. Begin by adding fields for basic information like name and email, which are crucial for identification and communication. Next, incorporate a date and time picker to allow clients to select their preferred date and time for the meeting. Additionally, you can add custom questions to tailor the form further, such as asking, "What do you want to discuss?" This helps you prepare for the meeting in advance. To maximize the efficiency of your booking system, it's beneficial to integrate your form with a calendar tool. Tally offers several integration options with popular platforms like Calendly, Google Calendar, or Zoom. These integrations can be managed through Tally's integration settings or third-party automation services like Zapier or Make. For example, you can set up an automation with Zapier that automatically creates a Google Calendar event whenever a client chooses a time. It can also send a Zoom or Google Meet link, ensuring both you and your client have access to the meeting details instantly. If your calls require a payment before booking, you can set this up directly within your form. Tally allows seamless integration with Stripe to add a payment block. By utilizing this feature, clients must complete the payment transaction before their booking is finalized, adding an extra layer of professionalism to your service. Once your fields and integrations are in place, it's important to customize the confirmation details for your clients. Add a personalized thank you message confirming that their call is booked. Include the meeting link or any special instructions they might need. This step reassures your clients and clarifies the next steps. Once everything looks good, go ahead and publish your form. By clicking the Publish button, your form will be live and ready to use. Now you're all set to share your booking form. Share the link on your website, send it via email, or promote it on social media to maximize your reach. Finally, with your system in place, managing bookings becomes a simple task, allowing you to focus on delivering great service to your clients. And there you have it, a fully functional, personalized booking form using Tally. So, thank you for tuning in, and happy booking.